everyone, my name is Liam. Today I'm going to show you how to boil an egg. You need some water, you need eggs, you need a pot. Now we put the water in, just enough to cover the egg. Now we get our egg, we put it into our pot. Switch the stove on. You need a parent to help you switch the stove on. You need to wait for it to start boiling before you set a 7-minute timer. Now that it's boiling, we set a 7-minute timer. I have a microwave. If you want to use something else, that's okay. Now that the timer has gone off, you need a parent to help you get the egg out of the water. After 7 minutes, you have a perfect hard-boiled egg. If you want to use cold water to cool the egg down, you can use that. Thanks for watching.